Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you my Flipkart saree haul. So without further ado, let's get started. This is an art silk saree. It has three colors in it. However, it doesn't feel like an art silk saree because it is extremely lightweight, very easy to manage, easy to drape, and the prints are amazing. I have washed it couple of times. There was no color bleeding, so I highly recommend this kind of sarees. If you're interested in purchasing any of the sarees mentioned in the video, please don't forget to check the description box. Link to all the sarees will be mentioned in the description box. You can click on the link and you can purchase the sarees shown in this video. It has digital print and a beautiful temple work towards the lower yoke and has beautiful motif on the pallu. You can pair this saree with beautiful silver jewelry and it will look resplendent. This one is a Polycotton beige saree. It comes with decorative zari work and it has this beige color throughout the body. I usually wear this saree if there is any kind of festival because it is appropriate for Indian festive seasons. You can pair this saree up with beautiful golden jewelry. It looks amazing. This saree is extremely lightweight, though it is a polycotton saree. However, it gives you the feel of a pure cotton saree and it is very easy to drape as well. This is an art silk Kanjivaram saree. It comes with a medium border and has this round motif throughout the body of the saree. It also comes with a blouse piece which is 1 meter length and it is very lightweight and extremely easy to drape. It has beautiful zari work on the pallu. This was actually a Durga Puja gift from my sister, so big shout out to her, and I got loads of compliments and I'm going to show you how I have paired it with my jewelry. Last but certainly not the least, this is another sari that has been gifted by my sister on my birthday. This is a cotton linen blend sari which comes with a digital floral print. As you can see, there is a beautiful print throughout the border. It has a blouse piece as well. This is very light. It can be used for daily wear as well. It can be hand washed and it has a very smooth texture to it. Links to all the sarees will be given in the description box below, so you can go ahead, click on the description box, follow the link and purchase the sarees if you want to. And with this we have come to an end of this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel down below. Also, please don't forget to hit the bell notification so that every time I upload a video you are notified. And I'll see you on my next one. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, be positive, spread positivity, and until next time, may the odds be ever in your favor. Goodbye.